Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. My voice is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In our last class, that was on Saturday, we have started with this third topic of lesson number one. France abolishes monarchy and become a republic. Now, in this we have seen that Louis XVI has entered into secret negotiations with whom? Secret negotiations with whom?
Prussia.
With the king of Prussia. So Louis XVI has entered into the secret negotiation, in secret talks with king of Prussia. Then what happened? The neighboring countries got worried about it, and what did they do? The neighboring countries, what did they started to do?
What?
What did when the king Louis XVI had a secret talk with king of Prussia? What did the rulers of the neighboring countries do? नेबरिंग कंट्रीज के रूलर्स ने क्या किया फिर?
Ma'am, the National
Ma'am
Assembly
plans to
voted
send
in
troops.
Yes,
declare war against
yes, good.
Prussia.
They were very much worried about it because they did not want any developments in the France, and so they made plans to send troops. Send troops means send the military or soldiers to put down the events that had been taken place in France. Then what happened? Then before they could do so, the National Assembly in April 1792 declared war against Prussia and Australia. National Assembly itself voted war against Prussia and Australia, against kings and aristocracies all over Europe. पूरे यूरोप में उन्होंने किंग्स और एरिस्टोक्रेसीज मींस हाई क्लास पीपल, रूलिंग क्लास पीपल पे के अगेंस्ट में उन्होंने एक तरीके से वॉर डिक्लेयर कर दिया. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? Revolutionary wars caused what? They were beneficial. Revolutionary wars means war against the government, against the rulers. Was it beneficial for the France?
No.
No. Why? Because it brought
Economic difficulties.
very good. Because it brought economic difficulties, a lot of loss in France. So next, about political clubs. Then what happened? Many political clubs became an important point for the people to discuss about the government and its policies. And most important club at that time was which club? Which
Ma'am,
club?
Jacobin Club.
Jacobins Club. Jacobins Club. Uh, the Jacobin Club grew more popular, and it included which people? Which people were included in Jacobin Club? Which people were included, beta? Less prosperous section of the society. That means the third estate people who were less prosperous, they were included in these Jacobin clubs. They were the members of these Jacobin club. This was read about it in a previous class. And who was the leader of this Jacobin club? Who was the leader of the Jacobin club?
Ma'am, Maximilian Robespierre.
Maximilian Robespierre. So the leader of this Jacobin club was Maximilian Robespierre, and the members of Jacobin club were the less prosperous section of the society. That is the third estate, less prosperous, जो ज़्यादा पैसे वाले नहीं थे. They were included in this Jacobin club. So next, we have seen that the Jacobins decided to start wearing what? Which type of dress? Special dresses they started wearing?
Knee breeches.
No. They were
Ma'am,
not.
long striped trousers.
Yes, the Jacobins members used to wear the long trousers. That is the trousers with the long strips. and knee breeches were worn by the high class people, fashionable class people. uh, they wore the knee breeches. So इसीलिए वो knee breeches तक पहनते थे, trousers पूरे नहीं पहनते थे, but वो knee breeches तक ही पहनते थे, मीन्स ये घुटने तक पहनते थे. But the Jacobins members started wearing the trousers with the straight lines and all, है ना? And one more thing was there, that is the red cap. What did the red cap signify? Red cap signify the, hello,
Ma'am, becoming free.
yes, independent or becoming free. So, and they were also, Jacobins were also called as what? Also known as, Jacobins were known as
Sans
Sans
cultos.
Saint
cultos.
Plutos. And what is the meaning of Saint Plutos?
Literally meaning those without knee breeches.
Yes,
Those without
without knee
breeches.
breeches. Saint Plutos means without knee breeches. That means these members of Jacobins Club, they were wearing trousers with long strips and all. They were not wearing knee breeches. So without knee breeches, knee breeches were worn by the royal family. That is the noble people and all. Clear till here, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to start with this. In the summer of 1792, the Jacobins planned an insurrection of the large number of Parisians who were angered by the short supplies and high prices of food. Now, in summer 1792, what was the planning of Jacobins? They planned to revolt the Parisians who were very much angry with the short supply of high prices of food. The price of the food grains was very much high, and the supply was also very short. So the Jacobins planned to revolt against it. On the morning of August 10, they stormed the palace of Tuileries. That means on August 10th, they stormed. Their storm means stormed. Their storm means उन्होंने attack किया. Here the word storm means they attacked the palace of Tuileries and massacred the king's guard. Massacred the king's guard means kings के जो guard थे उनको उन्होंने मार दिया. And held the king himself as hostage of several hours. And guard राजा के guard को उन्होंने massacre कर दिया. That means was uh, dead. उनको उसको मार दिया. And the king was made the hostage. Hostage means the king was made the captive for several hours. उसको king को capture कर लिया गया, उनको बंदी बना लिया गया for several hours. Later the assembly voted to imprison the royal family. और उसके बाद assembly ने, national assembly ने क्या vote किया? To imprison the royal family. That royal family should be imprisoned. Now elections were held. From now on, all men of 21 years and above, regardless of wealth, got the right to vote. Now elections were again held, and then now it was decided that all men of 21 years and regardless of wealth, whether they were wealthy or not, no problem, they all had the right to vote. Previously, only what? Prosperous people got the right to vote, that is prosperous men, propertied men, those who are having good property, they were only allowed to vote. And now all men of 21 years, even they have the property or not, they were wealthy or not, they were allowed to vote. They had the right to vote. The newly elected assembly was called convention. Now in election, first National Assembly was there. Now again a newly elected assembly was there, that was called as convention. So previously we have seen and understood the rule of Louis XVI. Then we have seen what after the rule of Louis XVI, what happened? The constitutional monarchy was there. Constitutional monarchy means the king will rule according to the constitution. Then we have seen the National Assembly came, and after the National Assembly, Now a newly elected assembly in the election came forward, that was called as convention. Clear till here? On 21st September 1792, it abolished the monarchy. Now this convention, what work this convention did on 21st, as soon as the convention was they means came into as a governance, it abolished the monarchy. A monarchy बिल्कुल खत्म कर दी and declared France a republic. And now this convention abolished monarchy and declared France as republic. Republic France को क्या कर दिया declare republic. Now underline this. What do you mean by the word republic? What do you mean by republic? It is a form of government where the people elect government, including the head of the government, means representative elect करते हैं, that is called as republic. Clear? What happened when the convention was elected, the newly elected assembly called convention, what it did do? क्या किया उसने? सबसे पहले क्या किया? Yes, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Ma'am, they abolished the monarchy.
yes,
Monarchy
firstly they abolished
and
the
declared France a republic.
very good. First of all, first and foremost thing the convention did was on 21st September 1792, it abolished, it totally completed, means made an end to the rule of the king, and then declared France a republic. That means now the government will be formed on the basis of the election, that is on the basis of the representatives which will be elected by the people. Clear? Now this is there is no hereditary monarchy. Now they had decided that no hereditary monarchy will be there. Hereditary monarchy means after the king, the his son will rule. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा, हेरिडिटरी मोनार्की नहीं होगा कि राजा के बाद उसका बेटा ही रूल करेगा. Now it will be total republic government. You can try and find out more about the countries that now how they become so. Now, Louis XVI was sentenced to death. Now, after this coming of the convention, Louis XVI was sentenced and the monarchy was ended. Louis XVI was sentenced to death by court on the charge of treason. Now, Louis XVI was sentenced to death. What was the reason of sentence of death for Louis XVI? The charge of treason. Charge of treason. Charge of treason means धोखा देना. You can underline in English, it can be betrayal of one's country or the government. That means उन्होंने अपनी खुद की गवर्नमेंट को अपनी खुद की कंट्री से धोखा किया था, चीटिंग की थी. How did he made the cheating और धोखा कैसे दिया था? He made a secret talks with king of पुरुषिया और उसके खिलाफ अपने खुद की गवर्नमेंट और अपने खुद की कंट्री के खिलाफ उन्होंने वो नेगोशिएशंस किए थे. That is why Louis XVI was sentenced to death. By whom? By court. Because the charge of treason. Yeah, because of the charge of cheating. Cheating for his own government or own country. So on 21st January 1793, he was executed publicly. Publicly अब क्या करा उसको? Execute कर दिया गया. मार दिया गया. Then at place de la Concorde. Now, what was the place in which he was executed? कब कौन सी जगह पर उनको मार दिया गया, उनको मौत के घाट उतार दिया गया? We can say in Hindi like this. At the place Concorde. And the Queen Mary Antoinette. The Queen was also there of Louis XVI. So Queen Mary Antoinette met with the same fate shortly after. Same fate shortly after means उनको भी execute कर दिया गया जैसा कि राजा को किया था. Hope till here it is clear, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
How does France abolish monarchy and becomes republic? पता पड़ गया कैसे फ्रांस ने monarchy खत्म किया और republic तब में आया. Clear? Change into republic form of government. Now the important thing, main important part of the lesson, that is the reign of terror. Important part of the lesson, you can mark it that it is a reign of terror. Reign of terror means the time period, the ruling period of when the people were very much afraid, were in very much fear. वो period, time period जब लोग बहुत ज्यादा लोगों में एक डर था. Clear? The period from, now which is this period? The period from 1793 to 1794 is referred to as reign of terror. Now which period is referred to as reign of terror? Which period is referred to as reign of terror?
Ma'am,
1793 to 1790.
to
Yes,
17th
you can mark it 1793 to 1794. This 1 year period was a period of great fear in the life of people of France. Now, Robespierre. Robespierre, as we have already seen, who was Robespierre? Robespierre was
leader of
The head of
club.
Jacobin.
yes, leader of Jacobin Club. So Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. Now the rule of Robespierre was there. He followed the policy of severe control and punishment. Means किसी तरह citizens को to take under its own control, and if they were not following the rules and regulations which were formed by Robespierre government, they were punished very severely. All those whom he saw as being enemies of the republic, that is, who were the enemies of the republic, जो भी enemy दिखता था republic का, that is republic government, they were ex-nobles. Means ex-nobles means previously they were noble people. Clergy, that is religious priests and all, members of other political parties, and even members of his own party. Own party means members of the Robespierre's own party who did not agree with his method, जो उसके मेथड से एग्री नहीं करते थे, रॉब्सपायर के मेथड से एग्री नहीं करते थे. Those who were against the republic form of government, they were arrested, imprisoned, and then tried by the revolutionary tribunal. That means उनको अरेस्ट कर लिया जाता था, उनको जेल में डाल दिया जाता था, एंड दे वर ट्राइड बाय रेवोल्यूशनरी ट्रिब्यूनल. मींस जो भी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस एज ए पनिशमेंट उनको दिया जाना था, they were given that type of punishment just because not following the practices or not following the government of Robespierre, rules and regulations which were given by Robespierre. If the court found them guilty, and if court also found these people guilty, that is गलत साबित हो जाते थे ये लोग, they were guillotined. They were guillotined. Underline this word, guillotined. और अगर कोर्ट भी इनको गुनहगार मान लेता था, yes, they really are disapproving the government of Robespierre. अगर कोर्ट भी अप्रूव कर देता था, तो then what happened? They were guillotined. Now what does the word guillotine means? Underline this. Guillotine is a device. Guillotine क्या है? एक तरीके का device है, consisting of two poles and a blade which a person is beheaded. It was named after Dr. Guillotine, who invented it. So who invented guillotine? Guillotine was invented by
Dr. Guillotine.
Clear? And what was this guillotine? Guillotine was a device.
Device
Device
Thing of-
consisting of two
हाँ,
holes
device
and a
कैसा था?
blade.
एक तरीके से two poles थे. Two poles थे इस टाइप से. You might have seen in pictures and all. और blades लगी हुई थी इनके बीच में. Blades लगी हुई थी. And then what happened? The people, those who were not following the rules and regulations according to the Robespierre government, they were beheaded. Beheaded means उनको यहाँ पर उनका head रखने के लिए बोला जाता था, and then the upper blade used to behead that particular person's head. इस टाइप का देखा आपने डिवाइस देखा होगा पिक्चर्स में and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this was the guillotine. So guillotine was a device to behead the people. Behead means सर बिल्कुल अलग कर देना. Now Robespierre government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Now first and foremost, the work of the Robespierre government. What did the government do of Robespierre? He issued the laws issue करे, placing the maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Maximum wages और prices उन्होंने decide कर लिया एक तरीके से. These should be the wages for the particular, means the salary and the prices of the bread. The salary of the people, workers, and the prices were well in advance. It was decided by the government, Robespierre government. Meat and bread was rationed. Meat and bread was rationed. Ration means जहाँ पर common man भी easily means we can say reasonable rates पे सामान ले सकते हैं. That is ration shop. Ration shop क्या है? आपने सुना होगा ration shop क्या है? जहाँ पर कॉमन मैन भी जो रीजनेबल रेट में ले सकते हैं सामान वहां से. That is that type of shop, ration shop. So the Robespierre government made the wages and prices decided was it was decided well by the government, and even the meat and bread was rationed. That means उनका एक particular price decide हो गया था, and it was at the reasonable price given to the people. Peasants were forced to transport their grains to the cities. Now peasants, farmers were forced to transport the grains to the cities and sell it to the prices fixed by the government. Now peasants were also forced to sell the grains to the means in the market, and at that too at the fixed prices by the government. Government के द्वारा जो fixed price fix किया गया था, उसी price में peasants were asked to sell their grains in the cities. The use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. Now the use of white flour. White flour means white flour. गेहूं. The use of expensive white flour means गेहूं जब वो आटा था, white आटा जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा क्या था, expensive था. Then it was forbidden, means वो कोई यूज करता था, कोई नहीं यूज करता था. All citizens were required to eat the pain delegate, that is equality bread. Now this was forced that every citizen should have the equality bread. एक तरीके का bread था, फ्रांस नेम है, pain de eligate. So this was the equality bread that was to be used by the citizens. और white flour बिल्कुल forbidden हो गया था, जैसे white flour नहीं use करना था उन लोगों को. A loaf made of whole wheat. अब ये क्या था equality bread? Equality bread was the loaf made by the whole wheat. Clear? Equality was also sought to be practiced through form of speech and address. Now everywhere here in Robespierre government, everywhere it was shown that everyone is treated equally by giving the equality bread. Plus the in the speech also, through the speech, through the use of words also, they used to show that everybody is treated equally. Now कैसे words को use करते थे वो? Instead of traditional monsieur, that is sir, traditionally they used to use word sir या madam बोलते थे लोगों को. But now all French men and women were henceforth citoyen and citoyenne. That means instead of using sir and madam, sir or madam na bol karke, now all French men and women were denoted with which particular word? Citoyen and
Citizen.
City on and city on e.
citizen. सबको man woman सबको क्या एक word दे दिया गया था? Citizen. That means all are citizens. No sir, no madam was used now to show equality. The citizen was used. Churches were shut down and their buildings converted into barracks or offices. Now churches were also shut down, were also closed, and the buildings of these churches were converted, were changed into barracks and or offices. Barracks means where soldiers are kept, the things, weapons and all are kept, and soldiers are kept, and or the offices या कोई government offices में change कर दिया गया था the buildings of churches. Clear this paragraph, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next,
Yes,
Robespierre pursued his policy so relentlessly that even his supporters began to demand moderation. That means Robespierre persuaded his policies. रॉब्सपायर अपनी पॉलिसीज को इतना ज्यादा प्रेशराइज करता था फॉलो करने के लिए लोगों को कि हिज सपोर्टर्स इटसेल्फ वांटेड द चेंज इन इट्स पॉलिसीज। वो अपनी पॉलिसीज में चेंज लाने के लिए उसके सपोर्टर्स ने भी उनको बोला रॉब्सपायर को, बिकॉज ही यूज्ड टू मींस फॉलो दीज पॉलिसीज वेरी स्ट्रिक्टली। ये पॉलिसीज जो थी यूज ऑफ द डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ स्पीच, दैट इज द इक्वालिटी, यूज ऑफ इक्वालिटी ब्रेड एंड ऑल, ये जो पॉलिसीज थी इक्वालिटी शो करने के लिए, इट वाज फॉलोड वेरी स्ट्रिक्टली बाय रॉब्सपायर गवर्नमेंट, and the supporters of Robespierre government also wanted some changes in this. Finally, he was convicted by the court in July 1794. Finally, उसको भी कोर्ट के द्वारा क्या गया, कन्विक्ट किया गया, पनिशमेंट दिया गया, and he was arrested on the next day sent to guillotine. Now he was also guillotined. उसको भी कोर्ट के द्वारा पनिशमेंट दिया गया and he was guillotined. Clear this Robespierre government reign of terror?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Because Robespierre government followed his policies very strictly. They used the guillotine, the punishment called as guillotine. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now Directory rules France. Now the rule of, after the downfall of Robespierre government, now the Directory rules the France. The fall of Jacobin government allowed the wealthier middle class to seize power. अब क्या हुआ, Robespierre government जैसे ही downfall हुआ, the bulletin was there of Robespierre, तो Robespierre गवर्नमेंट डाउनफॉल हो गया, जैकोबिन गवर्नमेंट का डाउनफॉल हो गया. आफ्टर द जैकोबिन गवर्नमेंट हु केम इन फ्रंट, हु सीज्ड पावर, किसके पास अब पावर आ गया, वेल्दियर मिडिल क्लास. जो मिडिल क्लास थी, जो वेल्दी क्लास थी, उनके हाथ में अब क्या आ गया, पावर आ गया. नाउ क्लियर? The new constitution was introduced which denied the vote to non-propertied section of the society. Now new constitution was introduced in which denied to vote to non-propertied section of the society. जिसको प्रॉपर्टी, जिसके पास प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, उसको डिनाई किया गया to vote in the society. It provided for 2 elected legislative council. Now according to this wealthier middle class, when it seized the power, then what happened, it denied the vote to non-property section of the society. जो भी सोसाइटी के लोग जिनके पास प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, they were denied to vote, plus 2 elected legislative council भी थी. Legislative council, legislative means what is the work of the legislative? To make laws. है ना? To make laws, yes. Now it provided 2 legislative council, and these then appointed a directory. Of these 2 legislative councils, what they did, they elected or they appointed directory. Now what was directory? Directory was an executive made up of 5 members. Directory क्या थी? एक executive थी which was made of 5 members. Now these legislative council appointed directory which was made up of 5 members. Clear? लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल ने एग्जीक्यूटिव अपॉइंट करी 5 मेंबर्स की, जिसको डायरेक्टरी नाम दिया. एग्जीक्यूटिव मींस whatever laws are implemented, laws are made by the legislative, it should be implemented. उसको वर्क में लाने के लिए एग्जीक्यूटिव होनी चाहिए. सो लेजिस्लेटिव ने एग्जीक्यूटिव 5 मेंबर्स की एग्जीक्यूटिव अपॉइंट करी, एंड दैट 5 मेंबर्स एग्जीक्यूटिव वाज कॉल्ड एज डायरेक्टरी. This was made as a safeguard against the concentration of power in one man executive as under the Jacobins. Now, at the time of Jacobins, the rule of Robespierre was there, and the power was rested only in the hand of one person, सिर्फ एक person के. और उससे पहले monarchy form of government थी, उसमें भी क्या था, power rested in the hand of Louis XVI only. Now what happened? To save the country, to save France from this one man power, अब उन्होंने क्या करा, 5 members की एग्जीक्यूटिव अपॉइंट करी, so that the one man power is not at all there. एक जने के हाथ में ही पावर नहीं रहे. That is why they appointed directory. However, the directors often clashed with the legislative council. Now often the clashes, the means disturbances, or we can say the small disputes often arise between the directors, 5 members of the directory, and the legislative council. इन दोनों के बीच में ऑफ एंड ऑन कंट्रोवर्सीज या वी कैन से छोटे मोटे चुटपुट लड़ाई झगड़ा होता रहता था. Who then sought to dismiss them, and then finally this directory was dismissed. The political instability of the directory paved the way for the rise of military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte. अब क्या किया, जब आपस में इन दोनों में छोटा मोटा मीन्स कंट्रोवर्सीज क्लैश हुआ, then the legislative council dismissed this directory, and this dismiss of directory gave the way to rise of military dictator, that is now Napoleon Bonaparte. So after the dismiss of directory, whose rise was there? Whose rise was there?
Napoleon.
Napoleon Bonaparte. आपने नाम सुना होगा Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte was a military dictator. Military dictator means whatever he felt like, he used to frame his rules, his own rules and regulations. He was from the military side, और वो अपना dictatorship उन्होंने यहाँ पर फ्रांस में establish किया after the dismissal of directory. Clear till here the coming of Napoleon Bonaparte?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, through all these changes in the form of government, the ideals of freedom. Now, all these changes were appearing one after another. Among these changes, the ideals of freedom, equality before law, and of fraternity remained inspiring ideals that motivated political movements in France and the rest of Europe during the following centuries. Now, during these changing situations, then also the ideals, the belief in freedom, equality of law, fraternity, brotherhood, and all these ideals, these beliefs were still there, which motivated the political movements in France and the rest of Europe during the following centuries. Means इसके बाद भी ये ideals, ये ideas, freedom of equality, law और fraternity ये continue रहे फ्रांस में. Clear till here? Now, did women have a revolution? Now, from here we are going to continue it tomorrow. That is in our next class. Till where we have completed today, read the lesson till here. Clear? And try to understand. If you are not able to follow anything, you can ask me. But that's all for today. Thank you.